Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. So we need to simplify this exponent and log expression, and it will simplify down to a nice little number. Now, in this question, we have to think about both our exponent laws and our logarithm laws. So we would start with the numerator, and we have a power times another power. And when we're multiplying powers, we add the exponents. So that would mean, and they both have base 2, root 2, which is necessary. So if we write that, we keep the root 2 as the base, but we would add the exponents. So I'm just going to write that out as in adding those two exponents, log base 6 of 27 plus log base 6 of 16. Okay, denominator still the same, root 2 to the exponent of log base 6 of 12. Alrighty, now we could keep going with our exponent laws, might as well. And now we are dividing two powers that both have a base of root 2. So the rule would be to subtract the exponents. So now this becomes one combined power with an exponent of log base 6 of 27 plus log base 6 of 16, and now minus that exponent from the denominator's power, log base 6 of 12. All right, well, it looks a little simpler, but now we got to switch over to logarithm laws. And our logarithm laws state that if you're adding two logs, you can write that as a single logarithm where you're multiplying within the log. Or in addition, minus log would be written as dividing within one log. So what we're going to do is we're now going to write that as still base root 2, but now it's going to be combined into one log. All of them have base 6, so that's why we can use this rule. And it would be 27 times 16, the arguments inside the logs. And then we're subtracting the log of 12, so within the same log, we would divide by 12. And there we go. Now, if we simplify that number, we would end up with, let me just do this by hand, it'd be a 9, so we'd have 36 as our new argument inside the log. And you may notice a relationship there. Base 6 on the log, if we can write 36 as 6 to some exponent, which we can, 6 squared, then the value of that log is simply the exponent when the base on the log and the base on the power in the log are the same. So now our expression becomes square root of 2 and simply squared. That entire log just became 2, the exponent. And square root of 2 squared would just simply equal 2. And there we go. Hope that helped.